Hi, I'm standing here in an indigenous territory in the Brazilian Amazon. On the background you hear the howler monkeys. And I'm standing here next to an acai tree, palm tree, which is the most widespread tree in the Amazon. And scientific research has shown it's actually the humans that have planted it because it's such a useful plant. And the berries are up in the palm trees that people have been using for centuries. Let me briefly explain to you the basic elements of forest protection with indigenous communities and with forest guardians. There's three elements to this. One is territorial rights and demarcation of indigenous territories. Very important also is forest guardians who do the monitoring underground with GPS cameras. And the third element is relationship with the authorities, with trustworthy authorities. So that the evidence that the forest guardians collect, it helps law enforcement, but actually if the potential perpetrators, the potential forest criminals know that actually these GPS pictures, GVN's reference pictures of illegal forest activities are being passed on to the authorities, to trustworthy forest law enforcement authorities, then the patrolling and the surveillance of the forest guardians acts as a deterrence. And so that is really how prevention works, crime prevention works. So it should be done with people underground, because people who commit crimes, who illegally log trees, who do illegal mining, or who illegally deforest for agriculture, it's humans who are doing this. And some people think that satellite monitoring can solve these problems. But no, satellite monitoring, or with drones, it's only monitoring. It's only recording what's taking place, but it's not stopping it. And because humans are doing it, it's only humans who can really stop it. So what type of humans? It's either law enforcement or the people from the forest communities. So we work with forest communities, as well as with law enforcement, but our main strategy is with forest communities and the forest guardians, because they are already in the forest. Why get people from other places if there's people here? So it's much smarter to work with people who are in the forest. So that's why we focus on working with communities on the ground. They have their traditional forest wisdom, and we bring academic knowledge, particularly from criminology and crime science. We combine this into forest crime science and indigenous forest crime prevention. So that's really the basis of our model: forest crime prevention with indigenous communities on the ground, supported by trustworthy law enforcement actors. And that's the basis of our model and the basis of our success, how we stopped illegal forest activities at various spots in the Brazilian Amazon.